Yes, get ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes, start. Madam, I would like to touch upon some of the important issues that have arisen in relation to the pattern and structure of the plan. One important issue is whether we are doing enough for agriculture as compared to the other sectors, whether we are concentrating too much on heavy industry and not doing enough for consumer goods. Again, it is very often criticized that we are not doing enough for social services, particularly in regard to education. No doubt there is a very considerable increase of expenditure on education, but I must admit that we are not in a position to meet all the needs that emerge. In the matter of provision of ancillary and basic facilities such as power, transport, etc., there is hardly a difference of opinion. They have to be adequate in order to meet the increasing requirements of production and distribution. No doubt adequate arrangements have been made for those purposes, but there are still certain other questions in that connection to which there does not seem to be any satisfactory answer at the moment. For example, road development has not received adequate attention, and for ship building we have not been able to make sufficient provision. There have been some failures, but broadly speaking, we have tried to meet the pressing needs of the economy as best as possible. Madam, there is a controversial question relating to the pattern of the plan, that is the respective shares of the private sector and the public sector in the overall plan outlay. This depends on the capacity of the two sectors in relation to the objectives of the plan, and I hope a fair balance is struck in this matter. We have also to take into account the consumption requirements and the need for exports. We have also to ensure whether various targets laid down provide adequately for exports in the case of certain items, in order that we may not expose ourselves to serious difficulties regarding balance of payments. All these activities, more on agriculture, more on industries and other things, add up to a big total in terms of both money and effort. This means a corresponding increase in the size of the plan. It should not also be forgotten that the investment in the third plan will be partial as much as the total investments during the first and second plans put together. Stop and over.